Hi guys, in this video lesson we will be talking about why our pipelines or opportunities are important in marketing. See, pipelines and opportunities are important because number one, we can get instant clarity on where every lead or deal stands. So you can easily drag and drop opportunity cards across custom stages. Take a look at these for example. Well, number one purpose talaga ni pipelines or ni opportunities is to track every lead. So you can see kung saan na sila sa inyong customer journey. Okay? So with that, you can get instant clarity on where every lead or deal stands. Kung saan na yung lead na yon. Nakuha? Kung saan na yung lead na yon sa customer journey ninyo. And it's true that you can easily drag and drop opportunity cards across custom stages. Tulad nga na pinakita ko sa inyo na example kanina, pwede na si Liza, ita-transfer or ita-drag and drop mo siya ngayon doon sa lost or not interested. So same with here, ito si Jessica, you can drag that pwede dito sa close or won, pwede rin siya under negotiation. So you can easily drag and drop that inside a Go High Level. So again, the purpose of that is for you to get clarity on where every lead or deal stands. For example, sabihin ng client sa'yo na, hey Jem, sana si Jessica Anderson sa pipeline natin. So you can say na, hey client, si Jessica is nasa new lead pa siya. So hindi pa siya nakapag-book ng appointment. So mas madali ngayong matrack. Okay, so if your client will say, saang pipeline stage na ba si Kevin King? Hey client, nasa negotiation na siya. So the team is already working on negotiating with this lead. Okay? So ganon yung isa sa mga benefits ni pipelines. Mas madali mong makita kung saan talaga yung mga lead mo. Kasi kapag ka nasa contacts lang siya, okay, halo-halo dun eh. Halo-halo dun. And then you cannot also see kung saan na sila sa pipeline stages. You don't know kung sino yung mga kailangan ng follow-up. You don't know kung sino yung mga nag-book na ng appointment. Okay, or you might know those criteria or kung sino yun sila. Pero you need to create filters pa. And then hindi siya ganun kaganda yung display compared to this one na very, very organized. Kasi yun nga, mas madaling makita sino yung mga bagong lead, sino yung mga nag-book na ng appointment, sino yung kailangan ng follow-up, and so on and so forth. Okay? So yan yung number one benefit ng pipelines or opportunities for visual sales tracking. Another benefit or importance niya is powerful automation triggers. Bakit? Kasi every stage movement can trigger behind the scenes workflows. Take this for example. Okay? Si Grace Thompson, galing siya dito sa proposal sent. Okay? Ngayon, kapag ka na-move siya dito sa contract sent, okay? Kapag ka na-move siya ngayon sa contract sent, pwede kang mag-create ng automation wherein once you transfer that here, once you transfer Grace Thompson here, pwede kang mag-send ng email automatically. Okay? Saying your contract is ready. You can also create a task for the team, like follow up with Chris. Okay? And you can also send internal notification wherein you will notify the team saying you have a new contract sent to follow up on. Okay? So, nakakatulong din siya or pwedeng gamitin si pipeline or opportunities for our automation to automate some task. Okay? Na instead of you manually following up Chris Thompson after you send the contract, now you can automate na the emails. Okay, kasi pwede mo itong dagdagan pa na to follow up if ever hindi pa niya na-sign yung contract. So you can add more action steps to that. Yeah, but that's one of the benefit of opportunities or pipelines ito sa loob ng Go High Level kasi you can automate it. Alright, so that's one of the benefits. Number 3 is for revenue forecasting. Now, this is very important, especially for business owners. Bakit? Kasi si opportunities, it contains specific deal values. As you can see here, may mga deal values yan na pwede mong ipakita doon. For example, si Jessica is worth $250. Si Michael Brown, yung deal mo sa kanya is worth $250. $600 naman kay Ryan Clark. And then $525 naman for Kevin King. Okay? So you can see their specific deal values. And the good thing is, Go High Level calculates your total pipeline value, allowing you to estimate future revenue based on which stages your high value deals are sitting in. Kita nyo itong dito guys. That's the total value sa lahat ng contacts na andito. Okay? So ano yung benefit niyan? Again, you can estimate future revenue based on which stages your high-value deals are sitting in. For example, when you look at the pipeline, saan dito yung mas malaki yung pwedeng ma-income ng company? Okay, except dito sa closed one. Kasi one na yan eh. Dito sa may proposal sent. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa proposal sent, pwede kayo na mas mag-focus dito. So, this is where you can set up automations na mag-follow up talaga sa kanila. Or this is where you can also create tasks for your team to manually follow up the leads under here. Bakit? Kasi if lahat ng to na-convert, paldo kayo. May $3,000 agad kayo. Okay? So, through this, you can forecast your revenue. Na if I will focus on these pipeline stages, a pipeline stage, or mga leads sa pipeline stage na to, ito yung pwede kong kitain. Ito yung pwedeng kitain ng kliyente. So you can forecast your revenue. That's one of the benefits of pipelines or opportunities to go high level. Pwede rin siya, another benefit is for revenue optimization. So you can track conversion rates at each stage, tulad na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. So you can also quickly spot bottlenecks. Okay, so like if too many people are dropping off during a contract send stage. So it's actually the same explanation kanina. For example, dito, ang daming na-stuck sa book appointment. Okay? Ang daming na-stuck sa book appointment. 6 sila dito. Okay? Or actually, mas marami dito sa new lead. Ang daming na-stuck dito, but dito 7. Okay? So you can forecast na ngayon na parang may bottlenecks dito. What can I do? Or what can we do para lumiit yung new lead and then matransfer sila sa booked appointment? So maybe you can set up automated follow-ups. Okay, or maybe you can manually call these leads. Your team can manually call these leads. So through this pipeline, okay, you can track conversion rates and you can also spot bottlenecks. Kung saan medyo nag-i-slow yung conversion ng leads natin. Okay? That's one of the importance din ng pipelines ni Go High Level. Another thing, and which is the last one, is centralized communication and team collaboration. Ito talaga, especially if you are dealing with a lot of team members. Kasi baka iba yung sales rep ninyo, iba yung nag-handle ng onboarding, iba rin yung nag-handle ng closing. Kasi may mga ganun talaga ng mga, especially pag mga agencies, so may mga ganun kami. May nag-handle ng onboarding, may nag-handle ng closing. So iba-iba. Okay, so through the pipeline, now all prospect data, notes, tasks, and interaction history live on the opportunity card, removing the need to dig through messy email threads. Guys, kahit isang tingin lang dito, if you are assigned to onboarding, alam mo na dito ka. Okay? Or sorry, if you are assigned to conversion, alam mo na dito ka. Okay? If you are assigned naman sa negotiation, alam mo na dito ka. If you're assigned sa onboarding, alam mo na dito ka kasi you onboard yung mga bagong customers ninyo. Okay? So nakakatulong siya for team collaboration then. Alright? So, recap lang tayo, why are pipelines or opportunities in Go High Level important? Number 1, for visual sales tracking. Okay, now you can visually track kung saan nasa sales journey ninyo yung lead or yung contact. Also, we can utilize powerful automation triggers. For revenue forecasting, mas madaling makita, okay, yung revenue ninyo because every lead doon ay may katumbas siya na value. Also, revenue optimization. So you can focus or spot kung saan doon yung bottlenecks, saan naglalag yung mga customers ninyo. And also to centralize communication and team collaboration. On the next video lesson, we will be talking about pipeline stage design and simplicity. This will be very helpful for you so you would know what are the step-by-step guides on setting up pipelines inside of Go High Level. So I'll see you guys on the next one.